everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today I present to you a very delayed video yet again. But today we're going to be making a blanket fort, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own blanket fort, so you can just copy everything I do. So let's just go straight into it. I already got all the supplies back there, so I'm going to bring them, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get some chairs right here for the walls. So we're going to put them like 4 chairs, you need 4, and we're gonna place them with the backs facing in. So I gotta turn this around. So we basically just have to go like this. So now when you have the chairs set up like this, you are going to get a like any blanket you want. It has to be pretty thin and pretty large. So this is a Dragon Ball blanket. So before I get copyrighted, I'm just gonna say this is not my character. So don't copyright this video, please. So you're gonna just lay it over the top. Make sure it covers completely. Make sure it's pretty even. That looks even. So that's gonna be our ceiling or our roof. You're gonna come here and get another blanket. Wait, I need another one. If you have a larger one, this is gonna be for the floor. If you have a larger blanket, I'll put that at the bottom. So you're gonna use this as your floor to make it comfortable, so you're not just standing on solid floor. So you're gonna come inside here and bring the blanket in. Then you can add another blanket and put it on top of the other one. These colors do not match at all, but I honestly don't mind. So once you grab some pillows from anywhere you want, you're gonna put this on the very end. So just cover these sides with pillows. And then you get some stuffed animals, and then just cover everywhere with just stuffed animals. Cat, a double emoji pillow, and just put them in the middle. So this is pretty much a blanket fort, almost completely done. It looks pretty nice, and I think it's pretty cool. It looks really comfy, and I'm gonna be trying to sleep in here today. So we'll see how that turns out. But if you want, you can get some sort of plants, and you can just put it inside. And then now you have some nice greenery for your blanket fort. And that's pretty much the whole entire thing done. You can pretty much just relax in this. And I'm gonna be trying to sleep in here. And I'm gonna pretty much just do random stuff in this. Now that the blanket fort is completely finished, I'm gonna go relax in this blanket fort. So I'm gonna change into my pajamas. So 3, 2, 1. So now I'm gonna put my beanie on, and then now I'm ready. I'm ready to relax in my blanket fort now. So guys, I'm gonna need something to keep me refreshed and cleansed, I guess, I don't know. So I'm gonna be making some hot chocolate. Well, I'm just gonna put this in the cup. So as you can see, I'm just going, oh man, I need to open this more. So I'm gonna just dump the rest inside. So also, by the way, it's actually way too hot for a beanie. I'm not gonna mind this. It's way hotter than I expected. So guys, it just finished boiling. So it's at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So I can literally just pour it in. So I have a bunch of water. I'm just gonna pour it in to the cup. Also, if you're doing this, make sure the cup is glass, because if it's like plastic or something, that would be bad. So guys, we finally have our hot chocolate. So we can just take a sip of this. It's extremely good. I already had a bunch of sips. I couldn't help myself. It was too good. But anyway, right now it is time for candy. Now I'm only gonna take one piece. So I'm just gonna pick Snickers, the fun size Snickers. So I'm gonna have this with my hot chocolate. So I'm just gonna get a delicious Snickers bar. This is really good. Oh, it's such a good mix. So guys, I just finished my hot chocolate and I'm getting pretty tired. So I'm in the blanket fort right now. As you can see, the ceiling. Yeah, I'm inside the blanket fort right now. And I'm here with this cow. I think it's supposed to be a cow. It looks like a cow, I guess. Also, a fun fact, like this is actually a true story. I actually won this in a claw machine. Like, it's literally from a claw machine, and it's huge. I just thought of what I'm gonna do when I wake up. So I'm gonna be rating how comfortable this was, or like if I would do this again, or if I would like recommend it to anybody. So I just woke up from the blanket fort and I am, my back is hurting right now. That was a terrible decision for me. But for my rating of this, I would rate it, I guess like it was pretty fun to make, so I would rate it like 4 stars out of 5. But the comfort though, no, that was not good. It felt like I was sleeping just directly on the floor. But I mean, it was fun, so I would recommend it. If you guys want to try it, you should probably make it more comfortable than I did, and probably don't build it right next to your front door where air is literally coming out. So guys, that pretty much sums up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.